Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel today. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 companies that you can get involved with to do affiliate marketing with. 5 of them will be offline, 5 of them will be online. Alrighty, stick around. You're going to want to see this. We'll be right back in just a few moments. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 places where you can get involved with and do affiliate marketing, okay? And my name is Kevin Lehner. What we do here is we do affiliate marketing videos, how-to videos, general value videos on anything to do with making money online to help you out with that. And also once in a while we throw in a video, motivational video for you, okay? Alright, so give me a moment here. I'm going to switch over to my other monitor here. And there we go. And when we come over here, I've got some companies that I laid out here for you that you can get involved with both online and offline. Now let me clear something up what I mean when I say offline marketing companies that you can get involved with. These are companies that have a brick and mortar presence, you know. And but yet they also have an online presence, and they have affiliate marketing programs too, okay, that you can get involved with, selling their products online, okay? All right, and first of all, what is affiliate marketing? Okay, affiliate marketing is very easy to understand. It's just where you're the middleman between two things: the company that you're marketing their products and the people that you're selling to online, okay? And the company will pay you a commission for selling their products or driving customers to their products online when you do online marketing with their products, okay? They'll pay you a commission to do that. Now, why would a company do that? Why would any, either online or offline? Why would a company do that? Well, the reason why, the primary reason is because it saves them money on their marketing costs. So it's cheaper for them to have people like you and I market their products online and then just pay you a commission, and it takes some of the cost away from their offline marketing that they do, like on television and radio and that kind of thing like that. So it helps cut their costs on marketing, and you get paid nicely to do that. Okay, so it's really pretty good. Now, it's that was pretty much for offline. It's the same way with online companies. You're just marketing their products is all. You're driving customers to their products, and they pay you a commission to do that. So that's what affiliate marketing is. Okay, so you're just a middleman in between the company and the customer, and you pick up a commission for bringing the two together. Okay, all right. So starting over here with our online affiliate marketing companies, we have JVZoo. These are some of the more popular ones here. Okay, the more popular ones that people seem to have a lot of success with. Now, JVZoo is primarily a software. They sell affiliate marketing programs and software to help affiliate marketers out in their affiliate marketing endeavors. Okay, and then you have number 2 here is ClickBank. Clickbank.com, and then JVZoo, and I got the websites here right beside them that you go to check these out here too. So and you have ClickBank, and they promote both software and hardware both. All right, so it's you can market both of those, and people on there have the products, and then you just hook up with the product creator on there and market their products, and then you get paid a commission to market the product creator's product, whether it be software or hardware, either way. And then number 3 there, you have Warrior Plus, which is primary software. It again also runs along the line with JVZoo. It's an affiliate marketing software company where people create marketing products to help affiliate marketers to prosper online. All right, and Also, then number 4 there you have Commission Junction. Commission Junction is along the same line. They have affiliate marketing products, and I think they even get into like books and things like that, and PDF files and so on and so forth, so that you can read books and stuff like that too on Commission Junction. But they also do affiliate marketing products too, such as programs and softwares also. And then number 5 is Amazon.com or Amazon. Everybody knows about Amazon, right? They do both software and hardware. Of course, if you've been to Amazon, you know they got a little bit of everything from A to Z. They got the software as well as the hardware items, books and electronics, and as well as programs and software programs and so on and so forth. And you can get involved with that by going to Amazon.com and look up their Amazon Associates program. You can get involved with that. All right, now let's move over to the offline affiliate companies here on the right side. Number 1, we have BestBuy.com. Now, folks, these companies right here that you see, these 5 listed companies here, they've just recently, in the last few years, uh, got started their own affiliate marketing programs. Okay. For example, if we go to Best Buy here, I've got these loaded up already here at Best Buy. Everybody knows about Best Buy, right? Most people do, and they sell electronics, mostly computers and phones and tablets and cameras and all kinds of things. And so they also have gotten themselves an affiliate program. So you come to bestbuy.com up here in the address bar, and then scroll all the way to the bottom down here. And it's usually on these websites, it's down at the bottom. If you look over here underneath partnerships, you'll see that they have their affiliate marketing program right here. And then you just click on that, and that'll tell you about it, and you can sign up. And all of these are free. All of these sites are free to sign up with. It doesn't cost anything to sign up with and market their products. All right, so Best Buy is one, and another one, number 2 there is Lowe's. I went to Lowe's here, and you can see their affiliate program again is all the way at the bottom. Of course, it's all hardware. Right? They don't have software. They don't deal in software. So it's an offline business with an online presence. Okay, so they sell. Lowe's is a hardware store. It's known as probably one of the most popular hardware stores in the nation. And they have an affiliate program. If you scroll to the bottom of their page and you look under About Lowe's right here, and you come down all the way to the bottom right here, it's their affiliate program is right here. Okay, so you can make a nice sum of money selling their products, marketing their products to people online. Okay, pick up nice commissions that way too. All right, and then the next one in line that we have here is Home Depot. You just go to homedepot.com, and then Home Depot, they have theirs also. Again, at the bottom of their website, and they're also a hardware store and a home store, that kind of thing. You know, building, construction, that kind of thing, just like Lowe's is. And you come to the bottom of their store, and you look under their About Us section here, and you scroll down here, and it comes down here, and there's their affiliate program right there. You can sign up here with them and begin to market their products, make money this website too. Okay, and then the 4th one is Staples. Everybody's heard of Staples. Staples is mainly like a business type of store where you can buy printers or you can get computers and things like that, probably phones and all that now too. But they're basically like a business supply company, such as papers and pens and calculators and all kinds of different things to do with people that are in business, right? Well, they too have a affiliate marketing program. If I come over here to their site, again, it's staples.com up here, and scroll all the way down to the bottom of theirs, as you see they're into all kinds of things to do with office supplies and business supplies and things like that. It's hardware, not software. So we scroll down to the bottom of their site, and if it'll let me, it keeps loading up more things. Now, the under theirs, there it is right there, under the corporate info, and you come down here, and it's this bottom one down here, right there, affiliate program right there. So you can sign up with them and sell office supplies online and make money doing that. All right, and then the fifth one that I wanted to show you, of course, as everybody knows, is Walmart. Uh, with Walmart, you want to go to affiliates.walmart.com to find that. And if I bring their site up, I've got that loaded up right here. And there it is right there, affiliates.walmart.com. And then you can join right here or right here, either one. And become an affiliate and sell Walmart's products online to people. And of course, probably all of these companies deliver too, right? Ship and deliver and so on and so forth. So nice thing about affiliate marketing is you don't have to deal with customer service, refunds, all that kind of stuff. Anything to do with a customer, you don't have to mess with it. All you do is bring customers to their product and sell it, and you get paid for doing that, and get paid pretty well, actually. All righty. All right. Now, also, if you, I'm a little more partial to the online side of marketing, affiliate marketing myself. What I do is I market. If you want to see a high ticket program, affiliate marketing is my program is the affiliate marketing business. And you can do both software and hardware with this one. You can sell both software online or offline with this one. Works either way. And what it is you'll see it down there in the description. You guys have seen this probably before. It's down in the description below in the videos, and put this on every video. And it's my #1 top recommended business and to make money with, and it's affiliate marketing. You can take a 15-day free business challenge, or you can come in right down here at the $29.95 a month pro level and get even more. So let me tell you a little about what is Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is the name of the company that I'm an affiliate with. All right, so what is Legendary Marketer? It is a university equivalent of a master's degree in marketing education. So what I do is I sell education. I affiliate market Legendary Marketer's marketing education business. Now you can come to a Legendary Marketer and get all the knowledge you need to be successful in marketing, but you don't have to sell the affiliate marketing business of Legendary Marketer. You can take and get the education for $29.95 a month and go out and sell any of these other companies I just showed you up here. Doesn't matter, online, offline, whatever, and be highly successful with it because of the education that you got from Legendary Marketer. Okay, so but if you like Legendary Marketer and you decide that the $29.95 is too steep for you and you don't want to get in at that level, take the 15-day free. This is what I recommend. Take the 15-day free challenge. It's 15 training steps. There's enough information in those training steps to give you enough education where you can take that and go out and start your own affiliate business and be successful with it. But if you want even greater education from 6 and 7-figure affiliate marketers in Legendary Marketer that teach marketing for both online and offline, you'd sign up at the $29.95 pro level. All right, and to do this, it doesn't matter whether you do the pro level or you do the 15-day free business challenge. You're going to get over $3,600 worth of bonuses that I've handpicked myself, and I'll show you what that is. If you click the link below that paragraph where it says mentor with Kev.com, right? It's going to bring you to this page right here. And it says, want to learn how thousands of people living a laptop lifestyle, working from anywhere in the world without any previous experience, and then begin your journey, whatever. So You click this, you come down and read this, and you click this here. Yeah, I want to see this, and it takes you over to this page here, and it talks about joining today with the business system. Take the 15-day free challenge, which I just told you about, and get over $3,600. These bonuses are handpicked by me, and they're all video courses. There's 7 of them. They're video courses, and these bonuses in and of themselves are enough education to start affiliate marketing without doing Legendary Marketer if you didn't think Legendary Marketer was for you. Okay, so let me show you the bonuses that I'm giving you here. Bonus number 1 is how to reprogram your mind for success. It tells a little bit about it here. It's you need to get your mindset right. Get that right first. Get your mindset about marketing and business and affiliate marketing right first. That's what this bonus helps you do. It's a video training. It's 10 videos of training on how to deal with just your mindset and the way you think first. Get that. And then bonus number 2 is modern affiliate marketing. It's a video course where you'll learn different things, how to pick your niche on return on investment and other crucial factors, picking the right affiliate program, and so on and so forth down through here. And these are valued. The other one's valued at $497. This one's valued at $697. You see those down below. And then bonus number 3 is modern video marketing. You want to do video, it'll teach you how to do YouTube, Vimeo, Daily Motion website where you can market on video, such as like what I'm doing right now on YouTube. It'll teach you how to do that effectively. And then bonus number 4 is modern Facebook marketing. It's a video course on how to do Facebook marketing to help you in your affiliate marketing that way too. Okay. And then bonus number 5 is modern Instagram marketing. Instagram is a big platform. It's, I think, rated number 2 or 3 in the world as trafficked websites. This video course here will teach you how to harness Instagram and make money from it. Okay. And then bonus number 6 is video sharing sites, some of the most. It has to do with getting traffic. Now, you got to learn how to drive traffic to your affiliate offers. And that's what this bonus does right here. And the bonus number 7, of course, is modern email marketing. This will teach you, it's a video course, a 10-part video course on how to do email marketing and be successful with that as well. So all 7 of those bonuses are geared around all of affiliate marketing and how to be successful with it. All of those video courses and those bonuses right there are enough in themselves for you to start a business and be successful. Okay? So if you find that Legendary Marketer is not for you, at least you took the 15-day free challenge and you're still going to get the $3,600 worth of bonuses, whether you do that or sign up at the pro level and get right on in on it and get the massive education from that from Legendary Marketer. Okay, either way, you get the $3,600 worth of bonuses that are going to help you. Doesn't matter if you do or you don't. Okay. All right. So just click down there in the description below the paragraph where you see this at where it says Mentor with Kev. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Hey, if this is your first time here or you've been here before yet, you have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you reach down there below and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here. Okay? Alrighty, guys. There's plenty of other down there videos I've got to help you out. Check out my other videos in my channel too. If you haven't come to my channel, come to the channel and check it out. I got plenty of other helpful videos for you on how to make money and so on and so forth. Okay. All right. I'm gonna let you guys go. Hey, I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next video. Okay. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye bye now.